Hey, what's up guys, it's Bonfire here again and welcome to the second part of my Firework stash for Bonfire Night 2021. So on the last Firework stash on part 1, I said there's either going to be 2 parts or 3 parts of this. But now it looks like there's going to be 2 parts, so this will be the final stash video for this year. So as you can see here, all the rockets I've got now. So this is where we're going to start. The silicone, these are from Latif's again, buy one get one free. And there's 163 grams in there. So them are pretty popular by now. And the same as these as well, the Warhawks, everybody knows what these I'm buying now. And I think there's 300 grams in these. Yeah, 300. Then from Latif's as well. Now last year you could get these for buy one get two free, but this year because of the stock problems it's just buy one get one free, so yeah, it's still a decent enough deal. Next, from a local garden centre, we have these Space Hawks. Never had these before, so these will be interesting. 315 grams in them, so there's a bit more powder in these than the Warhawks, so could be a little bit bigger. Next we got these from that garden centre as well. Those was cosmic and these was big star fireworks, is it? Yeah. So Red Thunder. Never had these either, so these will also be interesting. 252 grams in them, so there's quite a lot in them as well. So yeah, them look pretty interesting as well. So them would be new, and I should be taking a few videos of them again as well. So them are all the rockets we got this year. 30 rockets in total. Next we've got this. We did have this last year, but we decided to get it again this year, which is the party selection box. But it's a bit different this year. Most things are still the same, but there's a few bits that are different. Like last year we had the Victoria Falls and another falls fountain, I can't remember what that other one was. But instead this year we have these Ruby Tears and Dazzling Diamonds. So instead of them two, they have been replaced with them. Also, what I've noticed is the Starfinder. It looks a bit taller this year than usual. Last year I'm sure it only went to about there, so it looks a bit taller this year. There's still the same amount of shots, 56 shots. But yeah, we'll have to see if there's any difference. The effects don't say there's any difference, but we'll see. And most things are also the same, but these are different. Full bloom, and oh, that's the same, another full bloom. Yeah, but basically them are new for the part selection box, and the Starfinder looks a bit taller, but pretty much everything else in there is the same. So you get 3 19 shot charges in there, 2 star charges and a missile attack, and you get 1, 2, 3 shot tubes, starburst. So it's not a bad selection box for a back garden really. You get a good variety in there, and no Catherine wheels. Everything else except for them. And we got 3 Roman candles here, 8 shots each. So yeah, we got 2 boxes of them as well. Buy one get one free from Latif's as well. So next we come to Asda, because we popped in Asda and got these two. There's one there and one there, these two enchanted fountains. Now we've decided to get these. We don't usually go for supermarket fireworks, but we've got these this year because on the video they do look quite long. I think it's about just under 2 minutes long, I think. So they do look pretty decent, so we decided to give them a go. 135 grams in there, so pretty decent neck content. Next, we come to another garden centre that we visited, a different one now. Some of you might have heard of it, which is Holly Bush. So we went there and we got this, the Bonbon. Last year we had Boogaloo and Babadoo. So this year we've gone for Bonbon. 339.6 grams and 128 shots, red tail to red glittering. So yeah, that's something different as well. And we also have this one called Outbreak, also from Hollybush. 12 shots and 81.6 grams. So yeah, there's that one. And Salvo, we had this last year and it was pretty good, so we decided to get it again. There's 78 grams, also 12 shots. One thing I did miss just from the teats was just a little pack of atomizers as well. So them are cheaper, $3.99 as well, so we just grabbed a couple of them. Now lastly, what I'm going to show you is work in progress at the moment, but I'm working on this, which is a board for fountains and a few atomizers as well. So I'll be working on this today. Super glued them to the board, so they're pretty sturdy now, as you can see. So yeah, I've been working on that. I've still got a few to add on, like here and probably there. But yeah, I've been working on that as well for Bonfire Night. And I might fuse a few together as well, but we'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it looks a mess now, but I'll clean it up. But yeah, that's the entire stash for 2021. So if you haven't seen part 1, I'll link that down below so you can check that out. Everything from last year left over, and all this is new for this year. So yeah, so thanks for watching guys, and stay safe.